WeMasterTrade.
So, so hi, Mr. Joseph. My name is Manuel from WeMasterTrade, pro firm Canadian registered. So, I'd like you to kindly share a little bit about yourself, your name, and maybe what you do.
Awesome. Hi, Mr. Emmanuel. All right. Yes, so my name is Joseph Kamau or Kamau FX, and I am a trader, been trading for 8 years now.
Interesting. So, I'd love to hear about your trading journey and a little bit about what led you to starting trading or who led you to start trading.
Yes. So the guys who introduced me to Forex, they were just some guys who were rich kids when I was in campus and I was a broke. So at that time, I saw they were living the kind of lifestyle that I wanted. So I asked them, hey, how are you able to afford this lifestyle? So they pointed me to Forex.
Oh, interesting. So I'd like you to share maybe an interesting story or an interesting moment that you've ever experienced that was the best for you during your Forex trading journey.
Interesting.
Yeah, something memorable that you can sit down and say, I remember this day because of something special happened.
Okay. Obviously, the special thing is making money when you see some big money. That is very special. Yes. So there was a time I was trading prop firms, and within a week, I had made like $18,000.
Yeah.
And I was just, it was like a big leap because from being used to making 50, 100, and then jumping straight to like an $18,000 week. That was like very special to me. It really opened my mind to the potential that Forex has when you really lock in and know what you are doing.
Okay. So I'd also like to understand, do you have any special trading strategy or any method that you feel this is my little secret?
Obviously. Now I charge for this. So are you guys going to pay me for showing people this?
Wow. Wow. That's a hard question for me to answer, but it's your little secret.
Yes, I have a secret strategy, but I also teach. It's like my whole content, my whole brand is having just one strategy. So that has been, if you meet me and you know me from maybe social media, you'll just know that I trade only one strategy. It's called the market open range breakout or the ORB.
Yeah.
Yes. So maybe I will show you how it works when we go through some of the trades that we took today in the London session.
It's okay. So that's actually one thing I'd love you to also do. Could you please share your screen and explain more about your method?
All right. But I don't do this for free. So just keep that in mind.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Awesome. So just a minute here. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, sir.
Awesome. So for me, I am a scalper. The maximum amount of time I am in the market ranges between seconds to I'm very uncomfortable holding trades for more than even 10 minutes. Most of my trades are usually done within either between 30 seconds to around 6 minutes there.
Yeah.
So this is how it works. We have 3 sessions, and each session has a beginning time. So that I will use this line to show you like the separation, let's say, between London and New York. So when London is ending and New York is beginning,
Yeah.
this particular time, it's a very short period of a short window of time called the market open.
Yeah.
We have a lot of volatility in the market.
Yeah.
So volatility means we just have big candles, bigger candles than usual. So it's very simple. I am using the 3-minute time frame. And the last candle on the 3-minute time frame. So say, for example, today London opens at 10 a.m. Kenyan time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's put London here, and then this will be Asia. So Asia is ending. We are now getting to London at 10 a.m. So the candle before 10 a.m. on the 3-minute time frame is usually 9:57 to 9:57 to 10, that last candle.
Yeah.
That is what you see here. This indicator, I have an indicator that plots that exact last candle for the London session or the Asia session. It doesn't matter. That last candle is marked. So now we can focus on that candle. So it's this candle. I'm going to point it.
Yeah. Yeah. I can see.
This candle here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. So the plan is when we break to the downside at market open, say for example at 3 a.m., if price breaks like that to the downside, I am selling. Because the confirmation is the market open. I am sure that the candles will be big. So if the movement is from here to here and it moves in like 3 candles, then that is like the best move for you to take. So you can see this was gold. It broke to the downside. And as it was retracing, we took a sell. We usually use 25 pips.
Yeah.
And then we are targeting 1:2 or a 1:3. So 25 pips, we get out with around 75 pips at market open. So this was gold. This was NAS 100. Same thing you can see here. So this was the last candle that has been marked at market open. Price breaks to the upside and then quickly breaks to the downside. So you can see once we took a sell position, it really flew to the downside. And we exited with around a 1:3 there. And US 30
Hello. Hello. I think I lost you. Hello. Hello. I think I lost you for a minute.
All right. Where were we? I was sharing that. Okay. All right. So as you can see, at market open, US30 broke to the downside also and gave us a nice drop to the downside for a 1:2. So that is the exact that. So in the New York session, I'll come to the market and then do exactly that every single day now. That is my special strategy.
Interesting.
So yes. Now
so is
this
it the
is
same strategy? Yeah,
pardon?
I'm listening. I was to ask, is it the same strategy you're using for WeMaster?
For?
WeMasterTrade, is it the same strategy you use while trading our prop firms?
Yes, I want to show you that. So if we come here to our history, I am testing the CTrader platform on WeMaster for my students in my community to see which one is better, MT5 or CTrader. And so this one is an instant funded account. And if we come here to the history, I've not really yet understood how to. Here they are. So this was today in the London session. Wait, why is it not showing the PNL? That is the journal. All right. Yes, current month. It's not showing, but you can see these are the trades that we took. Exactly what I showed you guys. You can see DJ30. We started with DJ30. Then we went to NQ100 and then finished with gold. Not showing the profit. Let me show you here. To look at history here, and then we can scroll down. There. Wewe kama unajua kutumia hii nini CTrader, how ndo hizi hapa. Yes, here they are. So on DJ30 we took a sell, but we got stopped out by a week. And then this was yesterday. Then today we took a DJ30 break-even trade at $12. Gold tukaisukuma hadi ngapi? Ilikuwa break-even around 16 plus 6, 22. And then NQ sell, we exited with $50. Yeah, $50 on those trades that I've shown you in the London. So the plan is to continue trading the London like that every day until we hit our target.
Interesting. That's a good strategy. So I'd also like to understand what strategy do you use to manage your risks?
Pardon?
What strategy do you use to manage your risks?
Oh, manage my risk.
Yeah.
That's a good question. Yes. So for example, on this, so firstly, the first trade that I usually take on any prop firm is a test to see exactly how the spreads are and at what lot size do I win or lose for a specific pick. For example, yesterday I took a two lots trade on DJ30, and for 30 pips I lost $100. So now I know one lot size for around 30 pips is going to be around $50, and that is my average stop loss. So now with my $50 on 50 pips, you can see today I used one lot on NQ, one lot on DJ30, and around 0.1 lot on gold. That way, I am able to risk around $30 to $50 max per day.
Interesting. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, I'm good trade. DJ that. So for you, you do use only DJ. I see you're majorly good in DJ30, Gold USD, and then Q100, right?
We can continue now.
Okay. So I just like to understand what's your major have you ever faced any major psychological battle in trading?
Psychological, I lost you there.
Any psychological battle, like you're like, today trading has really cost me to just go, you're out.
Hmm. Well, currently, it doesn't really affect me that much. I've detached myself with money, but with a certain amount of money. So I usually don't over risk. But a few years ago, that is when I was facing a lot of my issue was over trading. So I used to trade a lot and just telling myself I won't trade. It was a constant battle of my hand and my mouse, not to click, not to click, not to click. So
Yeah.
once I figured out how to control my, then so it was controlling my hand and making sure I know the lot size I am using and how much I'm willing to lose, regardless of whether I'm right or wrong. If I see that number, I'm out. So that was like the biggest mental battles. You know, doing the right things. It's crazy. I used to like become depressed. I know what I'm supposed to do, but I'm not doing it. So yeah, that was a big hurdle.
Interesting. So I'd like to understand, to receive today's payout, you must have gone through a lot of experiences. And let's say for someone to receive today's payout, someone must go through some different strategies or some different ways on how to go about to get a payout. Could you maybe share something that someone out there doesn't feel like I'm really losing a lot to a prop firm? What should I sit down and do? Like, what strategy would you advise like a beginner in a prop firm to use?
All right. A beginner and a prop firm. Actually, I think beginners, the best route is through prop firms.
Yeah.
Yes. So even me, I became profitable because of prop firms. So if you're a beginner, you need to look at prop firms as a way of increasing your capital. So
Yeah.
if you have $30 and you buy a 10K account, then even if you lose that 10K account, you only lost $30. If you compare losing $30 to a broker and
Just send me out. So you're explaining about, if I remember, we were talking about pairs, I believe.
okay. Hey, we can continue.
Yeah, about the pairs. You were discussing about your pairs.
Oh, it was about beginners. Yes, beginners.
Yeah. Beginners to prop firms.
Yes. So beginners in prop firms, the best way to do this is number one, find one strategy. Only one strategy. Number two, it's better if you have a strategy that works at a specific time. at a specific time and has very clear entry and exit rules. That's it. And then now you come to the prop firm, read the rules. You need to understand your platform. Read the rules. Whatever you don't understand, use ChatGPT to clarify so that you know when you're calculating your risk. Because prop firms, they reward risk management and they punish random risk like that. So you need to be in touch with the prop firm itself, the strategy itself, and you as a trader now.
Okay, so for the last question, because of your time, do you use any expert advisor, and is your expert advisor AI generated or is it you generated?
Yes. So for example, you can see on my chart, I have some indicators. These are indicators that I have created with my system.
Yeah.
So even the EA, yes, I have an EA that we are testing right now. And it's the same strategy that I trade. It's not ready yet for the market. So it's still in the testing phase.
Okay, thank you so much for that. The last question, if you were to sit down and look at your younger self and your new self, what's something you'd change or maybe view different?
If I was to look at I have not understood the question.
From what's something about yourself that you will change about your trading style? It's something that you'll sit down and say, I wish I changed on this earlier before.
Take more risk.
Oh, interesting. I do appreciate you for your time. I'm so sorry about the issues with your Zoom and my Zoom. I'm not even sure if the other part is being recorded, but I appreciate you for your time. Thank you so much. In case of anything, I'll get to reach out to you. Is that okay, sir?
Wait, before we end, what will call me and be what's the purpose of this interview?
The purpose of the recording is to help people understand different views of people about their trading strategies and about prop firms, what prop firms are for, and also get to have an engaging interaction with our affiliate partners and understand how they get to be profitable and what led them to start doing props.
Awesome. This was awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate you for your time. So have a lovely rest of your day and happy trading.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
WeMasterTrade.